You want more? Yeah. Yay, Hudson breakfast.
Do you like your bites, Hudson?
Yes, he does.
Which kind are you eating today? Sweet potatoes?
Say yes.
Do you like sweet potatoes?
Say sweet potato oatmeal.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds good.
Tell Daddy, is it good? Is it good, Hudson? What do you... Yes? Uh-huh. Is it yummy?
Say one more?
More? Mmm.
What? Is it... It's good?
Does Hudson have fun at breakfast time? Do you have fun?
Say, give me
You want a
more.
bite? Mmm. Yum. Tell Daddy about your breakfast. Tell him.